front of me is Blackshark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called About Tablet. Now scroll to choose this one called Device Name right under Basic Info and name your tablet however you wish. Then choose OK and make sure to tap on OK in Device Name pop-up About Visibility to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!